Good afternoon everyone, I'm Dr. Ravinder Singh. The main purpose of making this video is to have a very good interaction with you. As you know that we are facing this pandemic, this situation, then definitely we need certain platforms where we can create knowledge, we can share with each other. And if someone is gathering any kind of knowledge, and if that knowledge is very much useful, then definitely that knowledge should be shared with those people who are looking for it. So let me talk about the main intention behind making this video. I'm specialized in sociological literature, sociological theories, sociological methodology. So that's one discipline that talks about the basic understanding of society, the various social issues, the social problems, and it understands each and every social problem of the society or the social issues in a very systematic and logical manner. So we have a very specific kind of methodology to understand the various complexities of our society. But the main reason here is that very soon we are going to start some videos. We would be covering some books, like very important books. We'll be having some kind of book review. Also, I'll be making videos on sociological literature or sociological concept, but mostly I will focus on book review. As you see that behind me, you can see there are many books, and I'll be reviewing because most of the books are very much relevant. And I know that in this organic solidarity, in this complex society, we are getting stuck with so many activities. If I talk about any particular individuals, you can see is associated with so many things, and you can see there are multiple roles. So we have to understand the person's feelings also, that he's not getting time to read books. So it's not about that I will be discussing or analyzing or reviewing any particular book and you will be reading that. It's not. It's all about understanding a particular book, conceptualizing it. There will be critical remarks, there will be some comments, there will be some suggestions, there will be some basic understanding how to do a book review and what's the best way to have a book review, how to go through a book, how to read a book. So everything becomes very important when we have to understand. So that is one kind of thing or a thought process behind this particular concept. I have chosen this, you can say that literature or book review because I wanted to get associated more with the books, with the knowledge and with the knowledge production. I can make videos both in English and Hindi. I'll be looking forward to your responses that whether you like videos in Hindi or in English. So write in the comment section, I will go through that. Thank you so much.